Hello friends, now let us say about atomic properties and variation of these atomic properties in the groups and periods of modern periodic table. Now we are going to say about electronegativity. Electronegativity is a phenomenon or characteristic of an element by which it can attract the pair of electrons towards it in a covalently bonded molecule. It is the behavior of elements to attract the pair of electrons towards it in the covalently bonded molecules. For example, if you see hydrogen and chlorine, hello friends, now let us say the atomic properties and the variation of these atomic properties in the groups and periods of modern periodic table. Out of them, now we are going to say about electronegativity. Electronegativity is the tendency or behavior of an element by which it can attract the pair of electrons towards it in a covalently bonded molecule. So as it is a tendency or behavior, it has no units, whereas ionization energy and electron affinity are the energies. One it is emitted energy, other one is required energy by the atoms. So those are energies, whereas electronegativity is the tendency or behavior of the elements. So it has no units, just it is compared from element to other element. This is a tendency by which it is attracting the pair of electrons towards it. So the attracting power of an element depends or relates to the atomic size. If the size of the atom is smaller, the nuclear force of attraction on the outer electrons will be greater, so it can attract the electrons towards it very easily. Means size is inversely proportional to electronegativity, or electronegativity is inversely proportional to atomic size. If size is smaller, electronegativity or tendency of attracting electrons towards it will be greater. If the size is bigger, the tendency of attracting outer electrons will be a little less, because nucleus will be very far from those electrons. So this is inversely proportional to atomic size. Now let us see how this varies in the groups and periods. In a group, top to bottom, as we know, size increases. In a group, from top to bottom, size increasing, so that the attracting power also decreases. The tendency of attracting the pair of electrons towards it also decreases. Means it decreases from top to bottom in a group. As the size increasing, electronegativity decreases. In a period, from left to right, generally size decreases. As size decreasing, the nuclear force of attraction or the tendency of attracting pair of electrons increases. So we can say in a period, electronegativity increases from left to right. This is about electronegativity. Electronegativity is the tendency of an element by which it can attract the pair of electrons towards it. So this is inversely proportional to atomic size. That is why in a group from top to bottom, electronegativity decreases, whereas in a period from left to right, electronegativity increases.